I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a class to your dashboard. Once you've logged in and you're at your dashboard, you go to the Add a Class button. There you'll fill in the assessment year, the year of your class, the subject that they're doing, and the course that they are in. And once you have completed those steps, you give your class a name. Press Create. Then you can generate an invitation code which will invite the students in your class to join. Alternatively, if you have a student who's perhaps late to the course, you can add them manually. And it's as easy as that.